Kodiak Krank is one of the more unique pen lights on the market simply due to its flexibility of positioning, along with a strong sense of portability. Let's take a closer look.
The package includes the pen light and a USB-C charging cable. You should always give rechargeable products a full charge before first use. The Krank may be charged from any USB power source, including computers, power banks, or wall chargers. Pull back the rubber port cover and insert the USB-C plug. A solid red light indicates that charging is in progress. A solid green light indicates that charging is complete.
A full charge of the 600 mAh lithium polymer battery takes up to 1 hour. The flashlight itself is made of aerospace-grade aluminum and measures at just over 12 inches in length when unfolded and just under 6.5 inches when folded. The depth sits at a maximum of 1¼ inches, while the width sits at 3/4 of an inch. There are 4 different power modes associated with the Krank. Pressing the power button cycles through them until the 5th press, which turns off the device. The first 2 modes are at the tip of the light, starting at 70 lumens with a 2-hour runtime and 28-meter light throw. The second is a bit weaker at 30 lumens with a 4.5-hour runtime and 15-meter light throw. The third mode is down the body of the retractable half, illuminating at 350 lumens with a 1.5-hour runtime and 23-meter light throw. The last setting is the same light on low at 60 lumens with a 2.5-hour runtime and 10-meter light throw. The flexible form of the Kodiak Krank allows it to be used in various positions. The pen light itself can fold in and out at a 180-degree arc. When the pen light is not closed in all the way, it also has a rotation arc of 270 degrees that can direct the body light to wherever you see fit. This allows the user to mold the flashlight to their needs moment to moment. The tip of the pen light can function on its own when the device is unfolded, but keeping it closed helps assure maximum beam distance potential. The Krank is equipped with a sturdy carbiner clip for the pocket or most clippable surfaces. The bottom of the light is also magnetized, allowing it to rest at most orientations on magnetic surfaces. With the ability to customize position and mode to fit any situation, the Kodiak Krank is an essential choice whether you're at home, at work, or on the go.